Hello friends, I am Rajinder Jatana. I am coming up with MCQ questions in general. This is for term 1 of 2021 and 22. This is for class 10th as per the new pattern. So these questions are very easy, and you will find that after using different shortcuts they will become so easy that you will be able to attempt 100%. Here I come with my notes. Hello friends, I am coming here with 5 questions of MCQ term 1 2021-22. Question number 1 is the rational form of 0.254. 54 is a repeating block in the form of P by Q, then P plus Q is, there are 4 options given to us. Now, let us apply the magic short trick. P over Q is equal to 0.254 bar, that is repeating block. What you have to do, ये जो यहाँ पे बार लगा हुआ है इसको आपने अम्ब्रेला मान लेना है, छाता मान लेना है। छाते के नीचे 2 आदमी खड़े हैं, डबल 9 लगा दो। बगैर छाते वाला 1 आदमी है, 2 0 लगा दो। छाते वाले के 9, बगैर छाते वाले का 0। राइट ऑल दीज नंबर्स 254, subtract बगैर छाते वाला, subtract 2. What you get? 250. P by Q is equal to 252 by 990. On solving, it will come 14 by 55. Now P is 14, Q is 55, and P plus Q is 69. Option C is there. Look here, option C is there. Now let us go to question number 2. Again, question number 2 is, if 2 positive integers P and Q can be expressed, P is equal to AB square, Q is equal to AQB, where A and B are prime numbers, then find LCM. There are 4 options given to us. Let us solve this. Let us apply magic short trick. LCM is called Chote Miyan, HCF is called Bade Miyan. Here we are supposed to find LCM, Chote Miyan. Now look here, Chote Miyan की ताकत ज़्यादा होती है। राजा अकबर के दरबार में एक छोटा बंदा था, वो अकबर की मूँछों को पकड़ लेता था, कान को भी पकड़ लेता था, और बड़े बड़े राजा महाराजा अकबर के सामने सिर नहीं उठाते थे। वो छोटा बच्चा, वो छोटे मियाँ कौन थे? वो उनका बेटा था, गोदी वाला बेटा। ओके, छोटे मियाँ की ताकत ज़्यादा है। लुक हियर, here a raised power 1 is there, a raised power 3. ज़्यादा कौन है? a raised power 3, right here. It is b raised power 2 here, b raised power 1. ज़्यादा ताकत कौन है? b raised power 2. So this is the answer. LCM is a cube b square, Chote Miyan. So option C is there. Look here, option C is there. Now let us go to next question. Question number 3. After how many decimal points number 5 by 1600 will terminate? These are the options. Option A is 5, option B is 6, option C is 7, and option D is 8. Now let us go to the solution part. Let us apply magic short trick. Look here, 5 over 1600. Write 5, 16 के factors होते हैं 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And this is 2 zeros are there, so this is 2 zeros are there, 1 over 100. Now make every 2 as 10. Because for finding the decimal places you need to have 10 or more powers of 10. Now look here, 2 into 5. 5 नीचे मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, 5 ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, 5 नीचे मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, 5 ऊपर, 5 नीचे 5 ऊपर, 5 नीचे 5 ऊपर, 4 टाइम्स नीचे 10 बन गया, 10 10 10 10, और 100 में कितने 10 हैं? 2 10s are there, 10 into 10, so overall 6 10s are there, so it will become 6 decimal places. So option B is there. This has become 6 decimal places. Look here, 0.003125. These are 6 decimal places. So option B is fine. Okay. Now let us go further. Question number 4 is there. The smallest prime number is A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 10. We know that prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on, and the smallest prime number is 2. Option B is there. Now let us go further. Let us go further. Question number 5 is there. If the square of the difference of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial is x square plus px plus 45 is 144, square of the difference of the zeros is 144, then the value of p is one of these options. Now let us go to the solution part. The solution part is like this. Let the zeros be alpha and beta of this polynomial x square plus px plus 45. So what is given to us is square of the difference of the zeros is 144. So that is alpha minus beta whole square is 144, and the sum of the zeros is alpha plus beta, and that is minus b over a minus p over 1. Look here. And product of the zeros, alpha into beta, is c over a. A is 1 here. So 45 over 1 is 45. So apply this identity. Alpha plus beta square minus alpha minus beta square is equal to 4 alpha beta. We know the values of all excepting, look here, alpha plus beta is minus p. Alpha minus beta is 45. It is given to us. And alpha beta is 144. And alpha beta is 144. Look here. Alpha beta is 144. Alpha minus beta square is 144. Alpha plus beta is p minus p, and alpha into beta is 45. So apply this and you will get p square is equal to plus minus 18 square. P will be plus minus 18 and the option D will be there. So this is how we have to deal with the questions. These are very, very easy. Question हो जाएंगे चुटकियों में if you are knowing the concept part properly and some few tricks. So, and you will find that you will be able to attempt these questions without any difficulty, and you will definitely come out with flying colors. Thank you very much. Keep on watching my videos. If you like it, please do subscribe it. Thank you.